About you? Which part are you in India? Oh, okay. Name is West. Okay, 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 okay. Right, right, right. Then I am your neighbor state. Oh, Odisha. Yeah. তুমি কেমন আছো? Okay. No, no, no. How can you tell me I am at isolate place inside Rome? I mean to say, I'm in Rome, inside Rome. How can you? What type of noise are you listening? Tell me. Oh, maybe network issue or something. I don't know, but I'm in Rome. Yeah. Then you tell what do you do? Are you a student or working? Mm-hmm. Okay, you are still student or you are looking for job. Then I think you have a okay. Have you completed your degree, right? Okay, which department? Technical, non-technical? Wow. Oh my goodness. Then you want to be professor in future or teacher or what? Teacher. Okay, then have you completed your B.Ed? Okay. Hmm. Then right now you are looking for different job according to your degree, right? Which type of job are you searching? Means are you preparing what type of okay, any kind of banking or any government department? Okay, definitely you can crack and you can succeed because you have a good degree on your hand, then definitely you can get. Yeah, of course. Hmm. I don't do anything. I'm unemployed. Right now, I'm learning language. Pardon? You can say that type of. No, I told you, you forgot. I am from Odisha. Have you been Odisha? Mm-hmm. Have you been Odisha? Okay. Then, uh-huh. Right. Odia singer sang that song, right? Okay, then can you understand Odia language? Because Odia and Bengali little bit similar. I can understand Bengali, but I cannot speak like you. Oh, okay, but I can understand Bengali. If you speak in your mother tongue, then I get reply in English. Yeah. But some cases I cannot understand your vocabulary, but I can understand little bit. Yeah. Then obviously, of course, I like Odisha. Odisha has beautiful place, and so people are kind-hearted, and here is atmosphere good, and I love Odisha. Have you been Odisha? Have you been Odisha? Then how can you know? Uh-huh. Hmm. Hmm. Kona and Puri historical places, so many places in. Hmm. Hmm. Right, right. Because of hmm. Bhubaneswar, Bhubaneswar is capital of Odisha, and whatever you told about my places, there is historical places, and people come to visit there, and maximum West Bengal, your state people, Saturday, Sunday, they every time they come to Odisha and they visit those places. Right. Then it is a near from also. Yeah, West Bengal to Odisha nearest. Then people weekend time they come to visit and they visit. Right, right. Yeah. Then, of course. If you want to go different places to any pilgrim, then definitely you have to invest lots of money, right? But Odisha nearest from your state, then within a small amount people they come and they come back, right? Yeah, that's why people they come. And did you finish your lunch? Okay. Then have you, of course, definitely. Odisha people mindset, Bengali mindset people also little bit similar, and cloth also similar, and you can say their culture also similar, and this type of cloth, food, culture, and their mindset little bit similar, right? Yeah, and that's why Bengali people also they come to Odisha, and Odia people also they love to go to West Bengal, right? Yeah. Then how long have you been using this platform? What brings you here? Mm-hmm. Oh, right. I want to enhance my spoken English. That's why I'm using this platform. And I used to this platform 5 months, I think so. After that, once again I uninstall, and recently I also once again install this platform, and right now I'm talking with Ola now, because I feel myself I lose my fluency and I lose my confidence without practice, right? Because right.